Let's see how we can hide and unhide columns in Google Spreadsheet. This is on sample Google Spreadsheet, and here I see couple of rows of data are there. So I want to hide one column, suppose this column. For some reason I copied couple of text from here to here, but right now I don't need it, but I need it later. So the perfect case for this type of situation is to hide the entire column. So let's see how we can do this thing. To hide the column, at first we have to click the column name. The entire column will be selected like this. Now just right click on top of the column name and it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose hide column, and once you click here you will see that column will be hidden. So I'm going to click here and see here the column data is hidden. Now you cannot see that. Now to make it unhide, you just need to click here. There is, if you move your cursor over there, so see one more thing. So right now for this worksheet there is column A, B, C, D, something like that, but here you see there is two small arrow on its left and the right. That means there is some column, it is hidden. So the column which we hidden, that means it is locating in this location. To unhide this thing, we just need to click here anywhere of this location and the column will be visible. So I'm going to click here and here it is visible, and that's it. In this way we can easily hide and unhide columns in Google Worksheet. And one more thing, if you want to hide multiple columns, you can do the same way. Suppose I want to hide D and D, these two columns. I'm going to select from the header of the column and right click and then choose hide column D to E here, and it will be hidden like that. Now here we see that those two columns is missing. That means it is hidden right now. To make them visible, we just need to click here this arrow and it will be again visible, and that's it. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to hide and unhide columns in Google Spreadsheet.